Unique design, removable glass plate. Unique design with the glass plate, easy to remove your printing models after cooling. Very convenient for enter-to-operate machine. Smoothly and durable and noiseless. Xvico 3D printer kits with the high-quality extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrustion. Strong aluminum construction is very durable for customer printing. Semi-assembled kit. Xvico 3D printer die comes with several assembled parts. You only need about half an hour to assemble and more stable performance. Win-win for fun and time. The knockdown parts will help you and your children to learn about the basic construction of 3D printer as you finish putting it together. This is the nice gift for your kids and your family, ideal for STEM projects. Filament runout detection and resume printing. Filament runs out to remind you to change new filament quickly. Xvico 3D aluminum printer can resume printing from the last recorded, saving your time and money.